president will. I have no qualms. I will definitely follow what he does. So I made that clear, both in Congress and in the Senate.
Are you surprised?
No, I was not.
Sir, yung concern na mas nadami po yung illegal photos pag
Well, that is the second half, no? Tama ka dyan, yung concern mo ngayon dadami illegal, siguro kailangan talaga ang pakikipag-ugnayan sa law enforcement agencies. Para nang sa ganon, actually ngayon wala na magiging problema. Lahat na nag-ooperate, na illegal, bawal na.
But do we have enough capacity yung pong ating pong law enforcement agencies?
Alam mo ma'am, pasensya na pero I don't think it's proper for me to answer that dahil hindi naman ako head ng law enforcement agency.
Is it a gradual phase-off or
Well, he says basically end of the year. That gives me 6 months. So, sorry. I suppose we have to start the process. We cannot just do it by the end of the year. There will be a process. Dahil most especially, marami doon may yung sinasabi ko kadalasan, may mga legal na naghahanap buhay. So, kailangan yun paliwanagin.
Sige po.
Okay? Salamat.